So you've got the bike, you've got the gear, you've gone and passed your test, and now all that waits ahead of you is that open road and all that adventure and hope. But do you remember the third question and what the answer was on your theory test? And do you even know what the tyre pressures are on your bike? What about your mirrors? Are you 100% confident they're in the right position? Today, let's talk about 5 things that you as a new rider probably obsess over and why you can stop wasting your time doing that. Number 1, the perfect riding position. Your back's got to be nice and straight, your wrists at that perfect 32.5 degree angle. Make sure you're not death gripping the handlebars, elbows out, put those knees in to grip the tank. But you've got to make sure you relax the shoulders, don't get too tense, and get the balls of your feet right up on those pegs. Now, here's the truth about all of that. If you're comfortable and you're not turning yourself into a human pretzel when you get on the bike, you're probably just absolutely fine. Adjust everything as you go. And don't turn your garage into some sort of yoga studio and get yourself all twisted in knots trying to find the right riding position. As long as you buy a bike that you're comfortable on, don't worry about the rest of it. It all falls into place. Now on that note, number 2 is finding the right first bike. My first bike has got to be light, it's got to be fast, fuel efficient, low mileage, expensive, fast, did I mention that? And it must have the soul of an Italian opera singer. Now as you can see, I know that feeling. I fell into the same trap. But let's get a bit of a reality check on that one. Seat time beats any spec sheet. Almost any bike will teach you what you need to know. Ride it, drop it, well try not to drop it actually. Learn from it though. And then make sure you spend as much time in the saddle as possible. Because remember, this is going to be your first bike, not your forever bike. Now I'm going to do a full video on this channel in the future on how I landed on the Ducati Monster as my first big bike. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and stick around for when that video actually lands. Number 3 is cleaning the bike to death. Look, I get it. You want your bike to sparkle like an absolute showpiece at every single bike night. But you know what's even better than having a squeaky clean bike? Going out and riding it, getting some saddle time. Any specks of dirt aren't going to hurt your street cred. So why not skip the hourly wipe downs and get out there and have a blast? Hi guys, yeah, sorry, just going to step in here. This feels like the prime opportunity for me to introduce you to the guys at True Tension. These guys create a range of bike maintenance tools and cleaning equipment and stuff for your motorbike, ranging from chain lubricants, chain cleaners, chain cleaning brushes. They even do the grit guard. You've got yourself the gel bike cleaner here that I'm showing off in this video. This particular product I did a full review of. If you click the pop-out banner at the top. If you're in any doubt about their products, go check out that review. But if you are the kind of person that is really anal about keeping their bike nice and clean and shiny, then they're definitely worth checking out. And if you use the link in the description below, you'll find yourself a code in there. You'll be able to get 30% off site-wide any products and stuff that you order. But yeah, just felt that was a prime opportunity to cut in there and introduce the guys at True Tension. Anyway, back to the video. Sorry about that. Number 4, the exact tyre pressures. Now, you've got the manual out in front of you and you've looked at the sticker on the frame and it says 32 PSI, but when you plug your gauge in, you're getting 31.8. Better go get some tyres ordered because you've obviously got yourself a puncture. Nah, don't be daft, relax. A couple of PSI here and there isn't going to turn your bike into a flaming death trap and it's not going to throw you off into the nearest hedge. The ambient temperature of the road conditions, tyre conditions and the speed you're riding at will all make the pressures fluctuate anyway. Ultimately, yes, you should be checking your tyre pressures as regularly as possible and keeping them as close to the recommended pressures. But you don't need to be treating it like bomb disposal. Just keep on top of it best you can. Number 5 is every single internet opinion ever. You'll go on a forum and that'll say one thing, then your uncle's friend will tell you another, and you go on TikTok and there's that guy with his shirt off yelling at you from the top of a car park. Like, everyone's got an opinion. Half of them are absolute nonsense. I did a whole video on it. Even my opinion, you could say, is complete and utter nonsense. So what you need to do is read, watch, and learn, and align yourself with the content that you're looking at. Then go out and actually ride your bike, because the only real experts are the ones that are out there getting some real seat time. So there you go then, 5 things that you no longer need to sweat about. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else that you've been sweating over, and let's talk it through in the comments. And next time you're overthinking something, take a breath. And remember that bikes, well, they're meant to be ridden, not debated over. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love it when I see these numbers growing. Or, you know, don't skip on by. I'll still be here creating content or probably cleaning my bike. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.